Hello everyone. In this particular video, we are going to discuss question number 13 from GATE DA24 exam. So this question is based on linear algebra, okay? And here you can see the question. Consider the matrix M. So this matrix is given to us, which is 2 by 2 matrix. And then which one of the following statement is true. So we need to see which of the following statement is true. The options are the eigenvalues of M are non-negative and real. The eigenvalues of M are complex conjugate pairs, and these are the other two options. So basically what we need to do, we need to find out the eigenvalues and see which of the options are correct, right? Now how to find out the eigenvalues? For that, just consider this particular expression. Determinant of matrix M minus lambda I equals to 0, right? The root of this particular equation, the roots of this equation will be my eigenvalues, right? So M is given to us, lambda is basically the eigenvalues, and I is basically unit matrix. So what I will get after this? So this will be matrix 2 minus lambda minus 1, 3, 1 minus lambda equals to 0, right? Because I is the identity matrix and just multiplying with I, subtracting from the M. So 2 minus lambda minus 1, 3, 1 minus lambda. Okay, so this will be the matrix. Now just take the determinant of this. What I will get? 2 minus lambda into 1 minus lambda minus of 3 into minus of 1, right? Equals to 0. Just solve this. 2 minus 2 lambda minus lambda plus lambda square plus 3 equals to 0. That is basically lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 5 equals to 0, right? So this is a characteristic equation of this particular matrix, right? And the root of this particular equation will be my eigenvalues. So how to find out the root of this particular equation, right? So for that, I will just consider lambda equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon twice a, this equation, right? Now just put the values. So just compare this particular equation with this one. It's ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, right? So just compare with this particular equation, and this is how we can find out the root of this particular equation, right? So just put the b value, that is b is basically a 3 here. So minus of minus 3 plus minus b square minus 4ac upon twice a. So b is 3, that is 3 square, right? So minus 3 square minus of 4 into 1 into 5, right? Upon twice, that is basically 2. Now if you observe this one, it is under root 1, that is b square minus 4ac, that is 9 minus 20, right? So this is basically minus 11, right? So I can write like this as I square into 11, because I is a imaginary number, that is a complex number, right? So if I write like this, so what I will get? Plus 3 plus minus I square 11 by 2, right? So if you observe, I will get a complex conjugate pair here, right? I am not getting a real pair here. So basically option B will be correct here, because the eigenvalues of M are complex conjugate pair, right? So these are the two pairs. First one is 3 plus 11 I11 by 2, and second one is 3 minus under root of 11 I by 2, right? This one. So these are the two complex conjugate pair for this particular matrix M. Okay, so nothing in it in this particular question. We just need to find out the eigenvalues and just see which are the correct options. Okay, so this is the way how we can find out the characteristic equation, or we can apply that concept also. It is basically a product of two eigenvalues is basically a determinant of that particular matrix, and sum of two eigenvalues are basically a trace of this particular matrix. So trace will be 3 and determinant will be a 5, right? So if you observe, we got this similar type of equation here also, right? So I hope you understand this particular concept, the eigenvalues. So every year there is one question based on eigenvalues. So please try to focus on this particular concept. Thank you.